Our journey now shifts from the grand architecture of the cosmic web to one of its most iconic nodes, our very own galaxy, the Milky Way. A barred spiral galaxy stretching over 100,000 light-years across. The Milky Way is home to hundreds of billions of stars, planets, clouds of gas, nebula, black holes, and, perhaps most significantly, us, the only intelligent life we currently know of. At its heart lies a mystery, a supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius A, weighing in at over 4 million times the mass of our Sun. Invisible yet powerful, this dark titan shapes the orbits of stars at the galaxy's core and drives dynamic processes that influence the entire structure of the Milky Way. And yet, black holes like Sagittarius A are not rare. Nearly every large galaxy we observe harbors one, suggesting they are not just byproducts, but key players in galactic evolution. The Milky Way itself is a rotating, majestic disk filled with spiral arms that wrap outward from the center like cosmic whirlpools. Each arm is a cradle of star formation, glowing with young stars and nebulae. Our solar system resides within the Orion Arm, a relatively quiet neighborhood that has allowed life to flourish in stability. But our galaxy is far from isolated. It is part of a smaller galactic group known as the Local Group, which includes about 50 galaxies, most of them small dwarf galaxies orbiting larger ones like the Milky Way and the Andromeda Galaxy. Andromeda is our closest galactic neighbor, located around 2.5 million light-years away. It is similar in size and structure to the Milky Way, and is on a slow-motion collision course with us. In about 4 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will merge in a titanic galactic collision. Despite the vast number of stars in both galaxies, the actual chance of star-to-star collisions is almost zero due to the immense distances between them. Instead, the gravitational interactions will create a stunning cosmic ballet, spiral arms twisting, black holes coalescing, and gas clouds compressing to ignite new waves of star formation. The end result? A new, larger elliptical galaxy, often referred to by astronomers as Milkomeda. But let's zoom out further. Beyond our local group lies the Virgo supercluster, a gravitationally bound structure stretching across 110 million light-years. This vast region contains thousands of galaxies and clusters. And yet, even the Virgo supercluster is not the final word. It is part of the Laniakea supercluster, the immense galactic continent that we explored in Segment 3. Each level of cosmic structure, from solar systems to clusters of galaxies, tells a story of gravitational assembly, of smaller things coming together to form larger, more complex systems. These structures weren't always there. They were built over billions of years by the subtle warping of space-time, by matter's relentless pull, and by the expansion of the universe itself. Now let us venture even further, to the observable edge of the universe. Light, as fast as it travels, takes time to reach us. When we look at galaxies billions of light-years away, we're looking back in time, seeing them as they were when the universe was young. The Hubble Ultra-Deep Field, for instance, captured light from galaxies more than 13 billion years old, revealing their faint glows like candles flickering at the dawn of time. And yet, the observable universe is only a portion of what exists. Beyond the cosmic horizon lies the unobservable universe, regions of space so far away that their light hasn't had enough time to reach us since the Big Bang. It's entirely possible, and even likely, that the universe stretches on infinitely in all directions, filled with galaxies we will never see, civilizations we will never meet, and mysteries we can only dream of. The vastness is almost paralyzing. It's easy to feel insignificant in the face of such scale. But there is another way to see it. We are not separate from this cosmos. We are of it. The atoms in our bodies were forged in stars. The the air we breathe shaped by supernovae, the iron in our blood born in the death of ancient suns. We are, quite literally, the universe made conscious, a way for the cosmos to know itself. As Carl Sagan so eloquently said, we are a way for the cosmos to know itself. When we look at the stars, we're not just gazing outward, we're gazing inward, reconnecting with a story that stretches across eons. The Milky Way is not merely our address, it is our shared inheritance. And as we chart its stars, as we launch telescopes to capture its light and send spacecraft to explore its planets, we are not just observers. We are participants in a journey that began before time and will stretch far beyond our lives. From the elegant dance of spiral arms to the galactic collisions that reshape the night sky, the story of galaxies is the story of creation itself. A slow, majestic unfolding that gives birth to stars, worlds, and ultimately wonder.